When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades make as immediate and lasting an impact as new windows. Windows Covington, known for their combination of modern design and high-quality craftsmanship, can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. Whether you're looking to sell your home, refresh its look, or simply enjoy a more stylish living space, investing in Windows Covington can transform the exterior of your home and increase its aesthetic value. Here's how installing Windows Covington can boost your home's curb appeal and give your property an upgraded, inviting look. Sleek, modern designs that complement any home style. One of the standout features of Windows Covington is their ability to blend seamlessly with a variety of architectural styles. Whether you own a traditional colonial, a sleek contemporary home, or a cozy cottage, Windows Covington offers a range of designs and finishes that can complement any aesthetic. Their clean lines and modern look can instantly upgrade the exterior of your home, giving it a polished, contemporary feel. From traditional double-hung windows to casement windows with large, unobstructed views, the versatility in style allows you to choose the perfect window that enhances your home's overall design. Whether you want to maintain a classic look or opt for something more bold and modern, Windows Covington has options to match your home's personality. Customizable colors and finishes. Windows Covington offers a wide selection of customizable colors and finishes, allowing you to match your new windows with the existing color scheme and architectural features of your home. This customization is particularly beneficial when it comes to coordinating with your home's exterior paint, trim, and roofing. Choosing the right finish for your windows can make a world of difference in how your home looks from the street. For example, homeowners who prefer a more natural, traditional look might choose wood-like finishes or classic white, while those looking to add a more modern, high-contrast appeal may opt for dark-colored frames. Whether you prefer the elegance of black, the warmth of wood, or the timeless appeal of white, the customizable options available with Windows Covington make it easy to achieve the perfect look for your home. Increased natural light and enhanced views. Windows are one of the primary features that connect the inside of your home with the outdoors. The right windows can allow more natural light to flood your living space, creating a bright, airy atmosphere that draws the eye both from inside and outside. Windows Covington are designed with energy-efficient glass and larger panes, allowing more sunlight to enter your home without sacrificing insulation or energy efficiency. The addition of large, well-placed windows not only boosts your curb appeal but also enhances your interior space by opening up your home to better views of your yard or neighborhood. For homes with beautiful landscaping or scenic surroundings, installing larger windows can frame those outdoor views, adding a visual connection between the inside and the outside. Improved symmetry and balance. When upgrading your windows, it's important to consider the overall balance and symmetry of your home's exterior. Windows Covington are designed to create a harmonious look by providing clean lines and even spacing. The consistency and quality of their design help to enhance the visual appeal of your home, giving it a more cohesive and attractive exterior. For example, If you're replacing mismatched or dated windows, installing new, uniform windows can improve the balance of your home's facade, making it appear more organized and appealing from the street. Symmetry is key when it comes to creating a welcoming and well-maintained exterior, and Windows Covington can achieve that with their sleek designs and carefully crafted features. Energy efficiency adds value to your home, while curb appeal is important for first impressions. Energy efficiency also plays a significant role in the long-term value of your home. Windows Covington are built with energy-efficient materials that help regulate your home's temperature, prevent air leaks, and reduce energy costs. This not only improves your home's comfort but also increases its value in the real estate market. Potential buyers will appreciate the long-term cost savings associated with energy-efficient windows, especially in a market like Miami Beach, where homes experience extreme weather. Homes with newer, energy-efficient windows are more attractive to buyers who are looking for properties that will save them money on utility bills and provide long-lasting comfort. Boosts homes' marketability when selling. If you're planning to sell your home, investing in Windows Covington can give your property a competitive edge. Curb appeal is often one of the first things buyers notice, and homes with updated, modern windows are much more attractive. New windows can make your home stand out in a crowded real estate market, and potential buyers will be drawn to the fresh, modern look and improved energy efficiency that comes with high-quality windows. Additionally, well-installed windows that complement your home's style can make it appear more inviting and well-maintained. This can lead to quicker sales and higher offers, as buyers are more likely to invest in a home that has been thoughtfully upgraded and offers long-term benefits. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Windows Covington are built to last, offering durability and low maintenance. Their high-quality materials and finishes resist fading, cracking, and warping, which means your windows will continue to look great for years to come. This not only saves you time and money on maintenance but also ensures that your home's curb appeal remains intact. Unlike older windows that may require frequent painting or repair, Covington windows are designed to withstand the elements and maintain their appearance with minimal upkeep. This is particularly beneficial for homeowners who want a low-maintenance option that continues to add value and visual appeal to their home. Conclusion. Windows Covington are a fantastic choice for homeowners looking to enhance the curb appeal of their home. From their sleek, modern designs to their energy-efficient features, these windows provide both aesthetic and practical benefits that will make your home more attractive, comfortable, and valuable. Whether you're upgrading the look of your home or preparing it for sale, installing Windows Covington is a smart investment that will improve both the exterior appearance and long-term performance of your home.